Rounds of snow in the forecast. That's right, we have clipper after clipper kind of going across the northern tier. And the first one moves in late this weekend. So here's a look at the current snow coverage, because we have a nice snowpack for the Great Lakes in the Northeast. We had a big old winter storm last week, then we had our taste of winter weather this week. In fact, that snowpack extends all the way down into parts of Kentucky. Now we're going to add on top of this, because these clippers, of course, will bring in a renewed round of snow. Now, clippers aren't known for being huge snowmakers. Maybe quick 5 inches of snow, that would sort of be the max of what you could expect. But they move through so quickly that you have clipper after clipper after clipper. I mean, this is by Friday. We've already gone through like 5 systems that are drifting across the Great Lakes in the Northeast. We have a big ridge high of pressure out towards the west, so that's allowing for this very amplified jet. So again, the jet stream, that fast-moving column of air that's way up by where the airplanes fly, it acts like a conveyor belt for storms, pushing them from the west all the way over to the east. So here's a look at the snow forecast for Saturday into Monday morning. So we're just capturing what we will pick up over the weekend. Parts of Iowa, a fresh 3 to 5 inches of snow. With your snowstorm over a week ago, Iowa picked up 10 to 12 inches of snow. And it's been below freezing. So again, yes, we've had time to clear off the roads, but that snowpack in your backyard, it's about to get deeper with these clippers next week. And we could see some ice mixing in. Temperature profile very critical. We're expecting 30 degrees on Saturday in Des Moines, but again, if you have a little warm air aloft, it is going to come down with that little crunch effect. As we take a look at Chicago, Saturday night, you guys are going to see the snow, and then we'll push it into the western half of the Great Lakes, eastern half of the Great Lakes for Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. As we go into Sunday, you can tell Buffalo and Watertown both getting snow. 95 quarter this weekend. Let's have a discussion. You might see some snowflakes. It's not going to add up to anything. I mean, the accumulating snow is going to stay by the Great Lakes, the interior of the Northeast. Look at Cleveland, just a sneak peek of next week. Snow in the forecast every single day. Cold afternoon highs in the 20s. The overall weather pattern for the Great Lakes in the Northeast for the next 7-10 days, it's cold, it is wintry, and we have intermittent snow potentials. So looking at the snow potential for next week, of course, the Great Lakes are highlighted because we still have mild water with barely any ice formation. So we're going to pump out lake-enhanced snow with these clippers. But even, moving into central parts of Illinois, Indiana, PA, we have the signature that we're going to have snow in and out of the forecast for the majority of next week.